Hi viewers, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. This is the 13th tutorial for Bootstrap beginners. Today in this tutorial, we discuss on the topic is Bootstrap for alert links. What we discuss on today? How to create Bootstrap for alert links using alert link class. I will explain each and everything step by step. Before going to coding, I will say one thing. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM, complete free web technologies and digital marketing tutorials provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail and your mobile also. Okay guys, I'm going to topic. What we discuss on today? How to create alert links. Okay. This is the basic HTML structure we all of you know. Here I am calling only Bootstrap, CSS, JS and jQuery libraries. Do class container h1 SHS Tech Solutions Bootstrap for alert links. This is the 13th tutorial for Bootstrap for beginners. Okay, once we check the output, alert links, and this is the output. Next, I will write alert class, do class, alert success. Okay. Next, here I will write from success a href class alert link. Read this message. Read this message. Okay. Once we check the output, this is the suppose we can give here suppose youtube.com. Here I am given youtube.com link. Suppose once refresh it, you can click this, it will be redirected to youtube.com. So guys, this is the process to create the alert links creation. Next, info. Warning. danger, danger, primary, secondary, okay, secondary, dark, light. Once we check the output, this is the output. You can click anywhere, it will be redirected to youtube.com. Why? Because we are given only youtube.com. Suppose we can write here target blank. Suppose you can given target blank. Target blank means it will be redirected to same window. Suppose we can write target target blank means it will be redirected to another window. What is the problem? I will check it once. Here light we are given. Yeah, it will be redirected to another window. Suppose you can write target self. It will be redirected to same window. It will be open in same window. So guys, this is the process to write the Bootstrap alert links. I will write small CSS for this. Body, background color, dark sky blue, H1, texture and center, H1 texture and center, color white, H2, H2 on the H5, color white. Okay, here adding cancel, background color dark blue, border APS solid red. Okay, so we'll check the output. This is the output. Sorry. So guys, this is the process to write the primary background color is primary. You can do any mistake in primary. Yeah, last name is wrong. PRIMARY. Okay, refresh it. Yeah, primary. So guys, this is the process to write the alert links. Bootstrap for alert links. I hope we all understand how to write Bootstrap alert classes and Bootstrap alert links. If you have any doubts or comments, please below the video. Before going to complete this tutorial, I will say one thing again. SHS Tech Solution provide all the web technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, AngularJS, Bootstrap, and digital marketing technologies like SEO, SMO, SMM. Complete free web technologies and digital marketing tools provide the SHS Tech Solutions. So guys, please like, share my videos, and please subscribe my channel. If you click bell icon also, you can directly get notifications to your Gmail. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.